Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off Wi-Fi control from applications that are installed on our phone, Samsung Galaxy S22. So we need to go to settings, then we are looking for applications menu here, next three dots menu right here, special access, and at the bottom we have Wi-Fi control. Here we have every possible application that is installed on our phone that can control our Wi-Fi. Let's say we don't want some of them to use our Wi-Fi. We can simply tap it and uncheck box next to our application, and that's basically it. No need to save, just back out, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.